That is a Frigidaire 8000 BTU window air conditioner. It's heat and cool electric heat strip. Let me see if I can get in there and get an inside view of it. And there's the inside view. I'm not going all the way in there, but microwave and all that, it's running right now. Of course in cooling mode. It replaced a beat up General Electric that was missing the cover, and God forbid if I step in dog crap. Must have been a job getting it in. It has R22 and it is a Frigidaire, and it is very beat up. Zoom in on the coils. There's no label that says Frigidaire, but I know it's a Frigidaire. Anyways, over and out.